bonus reading for June the 14th to June the 15th, fire signs. Your cards are the Devil card, the Four of Intelligence, and the Page of Intelligence. Pwede natin kasing makita ngayon na wala talagang conversations, no contact. Pwede ring less to no communication talaga. Pero kasi nandito yung Four of Intelligence na parang sinasabi natin, nagpapahinga lang ako, pinapahupa ko lang yung heightened energy, yung galit, yung inis. Pero kasi with the Page of Intelligence, still, binabrowse pa din. Whether ikaw, binabrowse mo pa rin yung social media account ni person or si person, ganon, or both, no? Both parties. With the Chariot and the Five of Intelligence, pwedeng sabihin natin na medyo talagang itong away or misunderstanding ninyo is naging malalim. Pero hindi naman ito yung pagtatapos kasi the Chariot is nandito, no? So surpassing all the challenges. Siguro mas mabuti nga na hindi muna kayo nag-uusap para bumaba yung momentum, no, ng galit. So yeah, hindi pa ito yung tapos ninyo. So this is your bonus reading for June the 14th to June the 15th, fire signs.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.